Hi, I'm Heather Hedley. I graduated from the acting program in 2020. At TIFF this year, I am the head of wardrobe for Honey Bunch. A big part of my pre-production for this movie was researching what people actually wore in the 1970s, because this film is based in the 70s, not looking at movies based in the 70s, but real, like, people's class and school photos back in the day, just to really get an idea of what was realistic. And the movie itself takes place in a kind of gray area world. People have different accents. You don't really know where the film takes place, so it was really important for us just to kind of stay true to the time period, but not necessarily a location-specific kind of wardrobe. I'm very excited for TIFF. I have an industry pass and just go to as many things as I can. It's such an inspiring time of the year. You can really get an idea of your taste and what you love and what, really pulls you in as an audience member. Yeah, what I loved about being on this set is that there was such a sense of familiarity. Like, everybody knew each other and have known each other for a long time. It's one thing on a movie set, you'll really get to know everybody after working very closely for 2 or 3 months, but just having that depth of a relationship, starting at almost ground zero together and growing together, there's something really special about that. So it was definitely a uniting factor that so many of us went to TFS. Whether if it was in the same time or slightly different, we all kind of went through the same upbringing together, which is really cool.